Hello everyone, in this video, we're going to review Aironox. Aironox is an innovative automatic ironing machine that aims to make everyday life easier by eliminating the struggle of traditional ironing. Instead of pulling out a heavy ironing board and spending time pressing clothes, Aironox uses a balloon-like inflatable body that fills with warm air to both dry and smooth your garments. You simply place a damp shirt, blouse, or trousers over the device, clip them in place, and choose your desired time and temperature. As it inflates, the warm air gently stretches the fabric, leaving it crisp, dry, and wrinkle-free. One of the biggest advantages of Aironox is how much time and effort it saves. The machine works on its own while you do other things, like having your morning coffee, preparing for the day, or even relaxing. This makes it especially useful for busy professionals, families, or anyone who dislikes the hassle of ironing. The process is completely hands-free once set up, so it cuts your routine almost in half. The machine is also designed for different fabrics, offering 4 preset temperature modes to handle everything from delicate blouses to sturdier cotton shirts. Unlike traditional irons that risk burning or leaving marks, Aironox provides even heating and gentle care. Its one-touch start feature makes it very easy to use, with no complicated settings or manual adjustments needed. Another strong point is its versatility. While it may not replace manual ironing for very stubborn wrinkles or special garments, it works extremely well for everyday clothes, work shirts, and casual wear. This makes it a practical choice for keeping your wardrobe looking fresh without constant effort. Aironox is currently available only online through the official website and selected marketplaces. Buying from these sources ensures that you get the most up-to-date model along with full warranty coverage. This adds extra peace of mind as you know the machine is genuine and protected. Overall, Aironox really does work as advertised. It's not just a gadget, but a functional home appliance that can save time, simplify laundry routines, and deliver wrinkle-free clothes with ease. For those looking for a mix of convenience, modern design, and reliable performance, this device is definitely worth considering. I hope you learned something new today. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content.